Trouble under the hood leading you to the junkyard? Before you do this, watch this. If your cooling system is losing antifreeze, man, you could have a serious problem on your hands. But I got your solution. BlueDevil Coolant Stop Leak is an easy-to-use, do-it-yourself formula that will seal leaks throughout your entire vehicle's cooling system, stopping that antifreeze loss and keeping your vehicle in safe operating condition. BlueDevil Coolant Stop Leak is compatible in gasoline and diesel engines, and it's safe for the Northstar engine. And it's guaranteed to help seal any leaks in and around your cooling system. It contains no solid or particulate matter. Now, what does that mean? Well, it means it's not going to clog or harm your engine. Now, it bonds to various different materials, such as metal, aluminum, alloy, or plastic. The hard part repair is always going to be your best option. However, if your vehicle just isn't worth that kind of investment, you don't have that much money, you really should reach for BlueDevil Coolant Stop Leak as a safe alternative solution. For complete installation instructions, check out our YouTube channel or get all the information you need in one place over at GoBDP.com.